crew. What's up, 360 crew? Back at it again with a new video.
I've been down like a running back. I don't got time for you running back. I need my love back. Too bad I won't get it back. We fell apart from the things you don't see. You was never wrong, it was always on the breeze. How that shit was me, I was working.
What is up, 360 crew? Back at it again with a new video. You already know, Thursday night, we at the meets right now. I just got here, I just pulled up. I got the chalk, I got about 3 buckets this time. I'm about to have everybody write their name on the floor. You already know what it is. And then, yeah, with all that said, man, sure you guys just lit ass me and I'm already, yeah, I don't know what the fuck to say, bro. Let's get to it, let's do it, let's get it. All right, then. I already seen some Honda guys. I'm gonna walk up to them right now and see what's up. First group I'm gonna walk up to, let's get it. What are you doing, bro? You don't know nothing about Hondas.
This is cool, dude.
What is it?
It's a CB with the CD front bumper.
With airbags?
And airbags with this custom doohickey right here.
Dude, did you cut out the whole thing?
No, those are custom, bro.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
You gonna do a motor swap on it? No? That's dope.
Dude, this is so cool.
You can see his wheel.
I don't even care about the rest of the cars, dude. They're all whack. I'm just kidding.
Well, I rolled up stock height.
Yeah.
And everybody's kind of looking like, why is the guy bringing a stock wagon?
When you were lowering there, like, oh shit.
There's like kids there, it's like.
So we got this, a quarter wagon. Dope ass color on bags. Slam.
Hey, it needs a little bit of work. They're gonna do some cleanup, wiring, and shit.
Oh, you gonna do the limbo tonight?
Oh, fuck no.
Bro, this shit's low. And
Not compared to a Miata.
yeah, but you get your shit in the video though.
My water pump?
What up, G? Oh yeah, you got the chalk today, bro. Oh, you guys gonna do it, right?
Well, what are we doing?
Write your IG in front of your car, bro.
What are you gonna do? You just write your IG in front of your car. He's gonna do it in everybody's car. He's gonna take a full video.
You don't know, bro?
I'm fucking lost.
What car you drive? Where do you live at, bro?
Huh?
Where you live at?
Down the street from me?
Oh yeah, huh?
Yeah.
I knew that was you. I knew I seen that ugly ass car somewhere. Nah, just kidding, bro. This shit looks clean. I seen it when it was stock, huh?
Yeah,
when you first
remember
got
I
it?
was there?
Yeah. When I was painting the G35?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit looks clean, bro. You gonna make it look like this?
Fuck no, it's just whack.
This fool's car looks fucking clean, bro. I love this guy's car.
Hey, do my app, bro. I can't do that. What color you want? Blue? Because that's the color I want for my banner, bro.
Yeah, you're right, mine too.
I'm not fucking God. No, here, why don't you grab your red pastel? We're right back.
Alright, you already know what it is. I already started passing out the chalk. As you can see, everybody's already doing it. Video's getting lit already. All of them are finished. We got more people doing it over here. And then I'm gonna head down that way to do it. Damn, all the chalk right here. I'm about to make my way down. Hit up everybody else. Let's get it. Too much people. I don't like filming, but I'm still gonna film. I don't give a fuck. up, bro? I'm not even gonna say it today, but what's up, bro? I'll keep quiet today, bro. I don't bring my car, bro.
She said
Thanks,
it for
bro.
you.
Yeah, she said it for me. You gonna do it? Oh, what's your
Bro,
car?
I didn't bring my car.
Good.
Keep calling it a
What's your
mystery.
car?
Fuck you, bro.
Alright,
Go,
cool.
brother.
Oh yeah, bro. Good looking out.
Another red one.
Hell yeah.
You got that on film, bro.
Almost dead.
Have me on Snapchat.
Why are you wearing
Now you gotta ride on the ground. You wanna add it on Snapchat?
Get those Crocs though.
What are those? Bruh. Gotta get that sweater out of here, homie.
Your fit is
Bruh.
Comfortable.
Yo, Cardinals fans over here, dog. You big.
Fuck the Cardinals, bro.
Oh, it's like that. You lucky my dad's a Raiders fan. I'm not gonna talk shit to him. I went to the fucking Handhurst. Bro, how heavy this shit is, bro. It's just heavy. Oh yeah. You got this guy's gonna be my camera guy for the rest of the day. That's just
I don't know about
too
all that.
heavy. All right, whose Miata is this? You're not gonna bring your car around here? It's over there. At the end?
Yeah.
Oh, you just came?
Just
You didn't do your IG? I have a stabilizer too. I'm gonna hook this bitch up to a stabilizer so my shit don't be all shaky. Most of my videos are shaky, bro. I don't know how to film. I don't know how to film. I don't know how to take pictures.
You're a fucking vlogger, so.
I know. I just started this shit because I thought it was gonna be fun. It's kind of hard though, but it's all Gucci though. We still gonna push through it. Hell yeah! Look at everybody, bro. She takes dope ass pictures. I see her pictures on you guys' crew post. Yeah, she takes dope ass pictures. Wish I was that good. Hey, look, I got everybody in the middle now. Everybody was next to the cars, and now they're all just scattered in the middle. Tiny, bro. 360. This is how we do it. Alright, almost everybody's already got. Hey, bro. What color you need?
I already got a piece.
Okay, cool. See, I don't have to pass them out. You just give out and they just do it on their own. Look at all these cars I haven't got yet. Dang, they all missing the IG on the floor.
Yeah. Why?
What color you need, bro?
Yeah, I'll take a blue, dog.
Hell yeah, bro. As big as you want, you can use as much as you want.
Awesome, thanks.
Hell yeah.
Hey, thank you.
It's gonna be on YouTube, bro. 360 Garage, all one
Really?
word. Yeah.
Alright, for sure.
I can't even memorize my name.
Hell yeah. Chalk. Yeah.
That's smart though.
Come on, bro. Look at everybody's doing it. See if I could convince him. It's gonna be on YouTube, bro.
I'm getting a.
You gonna do it, John?
I need yellow then.
Hell yeah, yellow stands out. I don't know why no one gets yellow.
Not doing purple.
As big as you want, you can use as much as you want. Oh shit. It looks all shiny, bro.
Thanks, G.
This shit looks dope. It's gonna be for my YouTube video. Usually when I go to meets, bro, I always try to bring something different to meets and not
Yeah,
make it
hell
too
yeah.
boring. And look, everybody's out now, bro.
Yeah, you're right.
And so I'm always trying to, cause you know how the typical like vlogger, you go to meets and shit, you just walk around, talk to people.
Yeah.
Every time I come to meets, bro, I always
What's
try
your
to
YouTube?
360 Garage.
I got you right now.
Yeah. Like,
I got
you guys were here last week?
Yeah,
we were
Like,
here.
But we
I'm
left
the
a
one that
little
brings the
early.
ice cream truck, the limbo stick, the beer pong
Oh,
table.
you brought the ice cream truck?
Yeah, I brought a beer
Really?
pong table,
Blue
bro.
one?
Yeah.
What is it?
Even at the Pavs. You guys go
360
Pavs?
Garage, right?
We
Yeah,
brought
there.
the ice cream truck to the Pavs.
The 360 video?
all one word.
What is it?
360 Garage, all one word. Yeah, that's me.
There we go, man.
Bro, I brought the ice cream truck to the Pavs, yeah. And we was doing burnouts and shit over there.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so
And
funny.
I have a video online too. So, I'm barely started, bro. I only have like 1,500 subscribers, but
How long have you been doing it?
seriously, for like 3 months only.
Yeah?
I had like little videos I upload to YouTube. I wasn't really trying to do it. So like seriously, I've been doing it for like 3 months only.
That's sick. Keep
Yeah.
up with that.
And yeah, my first videos, bro, they were just fucking. As you guys already see, got a couple new subscribers. Yo, we lit, bro. We out here doing it. Look at all these stoners. Oh, this guy over here is in his 350.
It's like twin turbo.
Let me tell him that he needs. Hey, look at his Christmas lights. That's dope. Hey, bro.
Yeah, early, my bad. Yeah.
What's up, bro? What's up, bro? Hey, chop, bro?
I have my IG name in the bag.
Oh, come on, bro. You gotta do it in the front, though, like everybody, bro. It's gonna be on video.
Alright then. I'll do it right now.
You need a bigger piece than that, you're gonna fuck up your fingers.
For sure, I guess.
Alright, cool. You gonna do it for sure, though?
Yeah, I'll do it right now.
Alright, cool. What about you guys?
What is it? IG on the
Your IG in the front, you see how everybody else is doing it?
Okay.
I'm gonna do like a video and shit at the end of it.
Oh, man.
Hell yeah.
You guys gotta do
It's
it
gonna be on
the
YouTube on the 360 Garage.
Hell yeah,
All one word. It's the one with 1,500 subscribers, not 10. Cause there's 2 of us on there. One has 10 subscribers, I got 1,500. Alright, man.
Yeah, sure.
For sure. Alright, right after I brought out the chalk, everybody came in the middle. It's never like this at these meets, man. This meet's always popping because of me. But right now, everybody's at the middle. We're about to go through
It's big. Break it. In the middle of the bed. No more sitting.
Everybody's just out to it, bro. Don't take a picture though. Yo, you already know what it is. We're doing a limbo, as you guys can see. Everybody's out here. Everybody's out here. I'm about to get a dope ass Montrose in the GTR. Let's get it.
On the road now, with a bad bitch now. Fuck a motherfucking ex now, nah. Got the money, know I'm about to flex. I'm flexing with your bitch now. Pull up in the Audi and it's sick now. Got 2 whips, that's sick, huh? Fuck your bitch from the back, I'm lit now. I'm sipping on the motherfucking lick, ayy. And your bitch steady sucking dick, ayy. I don't give a fuck about the Netflix. Hold up. I don't give a fuck about the next bitch. Hold up. Pull up on niggas, they don't like that. They don't like that. Nigga fucking pockets stay fat. On top of that, got your bitch on top of that.
Yo, you already know we out here filming shit. Look at this fucking GTR though. Clean ass car. Right hand drive. Got the city on the wing. Got the city on his back. Terrence. What's up, bruh? It's Terrence right there. This, I don't know, to me, this guy has right now, this guy has the cleanest Z. The 350. This shit is stupid clean. Look at that shit. Oh, that shit's sexy, you can't lie. This guy, he wanna go fast, but he can't. There's another three right here. I call them 350s, whatever you wanna call them, Z's. Yo, I'm talking so fast, cause, I'm gonna get the Montrose of this car. I think I'm done doing the Montrages. I think now what I'm gonna do is vlog. I'm gonna go tell Eric for the stickers. We got the ice cream truck. Yo, this meet, usually I'm shy to vlog a little bit, but this meet, you know, I was watching my own videos and I'm like, yo, I need to stop being so shy to vlog. Here, keep this one. That's not mine. Got the decals, you already know what it is. Hey. So I'm gonna give out some of these decals to the people. So you guys want a shout out, bro? He's nervous. Huh? Yeah, hey! You want to buy something?
Yeah, you got hot chocolate in there?
Nah.
Damn!
Yeah, bro, we ain't got no microwave in there. Yo, you gonna put one of these on your car or what?
I'm down, bro.
360 Garage, you already know what it is? Wait up, let's put that back. That one's YouTube, buddy. Alright, bro. Send me a picture of it on IG. I bet. Alright. I told a couple people they're gonna get the stickers, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Bro, why you look so cold?
I'm fucking freezing, man.
Yo,
this jacket isn't. You can literally see through it. Like, look at that. You see through it?
Oh shit!
There you go. I'm not warm.
Nah, hey, it is pretty cold outside, and that's kind of crazy for Arizona. It to be cold.
Yeah, definitely.
Yo, the weather's changing. Who did I say I was gonna give a sticker to? Oh, it's the guy with the Celica. They out there buying. Let's go look at them. I like filming when they're buying ice cream, and then we'll look for the guy with the Celica. Bro, it's cold today.
Yeah, I didn't realize it was him either.
Damn, bro, did you upgrade? Did you get lights?
No. Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Where's he at?
Hey. Ooh. We're in the ice cream truck right now. Y'all want some munchies for free? Let me know. Hey. There's a discount code. 360 Garage, 0% off.
Bubblegum?
You already know. We out here.
Hold on, we got munchies for real in there, huh?
Bro, we got it, bro.
Hell yeah.
Every week, bro. It's a plug right here. And you gotta subscribe to the channel, bro.
Alright, what's the app?
360 Garage, all one word.
360 Garage?
All one word.
360, like
Yeah,
one word or
yeah.
360?
Yeah, 360 Garage, no spaces.
Yeah.
It's on the floor.
Alright.
Oh yeah, bro. You know? Okay. Fuck it. He doesn't get his quarterback. Hey, bro, you forgot a quarter, but since you left, you can't get it back. Just kidding. Yo, my hand's getting tired. This fucking camera's heavy. Yo, look, check it out, check it out. I have to show you guys this. Yo, check this shit out, man.
Hey, this shit's hard, dog.
Yeah, cause it's frozen. Bro, you better stop with this slow ass car. Yo, it's cold. I told God I'm gonna give him a decal. Can't find him. Oh, he took off. His Celica's not here no more. Oh wow. I don't know how much I have. I know one of them's fucked up. I don't want to give that one away. I got 2 decals to give away. Might give one to the winner if they put it on his car. I know one thing. I'm not giving this guy a decal if he doesn't put it on his car. I'm gonna put it on. Go ahead. Hell yeah. He says he is, but I don't know. If he does, you know, shout out to you. Hell yeah. Keep this shit rolling, man. Always support. Look at all these guys. I'm gonna ask this guy if I can ride with them. Hey, bruh. Can I ride with you?
Yeah, sure.
Hell yeah. Sorry you had to move all your stolen merchandise. Oh shit. Damn, this shit feels low, bro. You guys already know car guy shit. You just hop in a car with a stranger. Nah, you ain't no stranger. I see you around a lot.
Oh, yeah.
And you subscribe?
Huh?
You subscribe? Are you really?
Wait, what?
Are you subscribed to my channel?
Yeah.
What's the last video I put out?
I'm not on YouTube very much. I don't have time, to be honest.
He's a liar. No, I'm just kidding. That's what's up,
No,
bro.
I'm subscribed, yeah.
Hell yeah. You think you're gonna win this round? You was close last time at the lake, bro.
Dude, I was watching that video. I didn't believe you.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me get everybody right here. Let's get it. Alright, cool. You can let me out right here. I'm gonna hop in somebody else's car. I think that'll be a dope video of me just hopping in random people's cars. Alright, bro. Thanks, bro. So I think that was a good idea, yo. I'm gonna try to hop into random people's cars if they got room and go through it, bro. Let's see. Not be so loud, bro. Can I hop in with you? Yes, sir. Bro, I'm trying to hop in random people's cars. Is this open? Hell yeah. So we just hop in a Miata. God damn, it's just loud. The system? Yeah. Damn, this guy's booming, bro. Yo, this guy's gonna win, I think. You gonna win, bro?
Stay in the on the notes. Hella points, trigger fingers on my fucking phone. Demons rising out the crib. I see me a
You know what it is.
never gave a fuck. We were about the mud. Then I popped the trunk. Who are motherfucking always got the mask on. Motherfuckers gon' die.
Alright, let me out right here. I'm gonna go hop in somebody else's car. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Dope ass system. God damn. So we just partying in that car. You already know what it is. My girlfriend just called me. I don't know why I need to call her because she's home alone. She's calling me again. See what she wants. Yo. We got, hey, yo, can I hop in your car? Hell yeah, bro. I'm just hopping in everybody's cars, bro. To make a good video, bro. Hop in another little red Miata. What do you got? What do you, oh, look at his bubbler, bro. Damn, I got the shift now. The other guy had a system. We had a party in there, bro. Hey, are you subscribed to my channel?
No.
No? Oh, bro. You gotta subscribe. 360 Garage, all one word.
Alright.
Let's see if he got what it takes. Oh, we made it. You think you're gonna win? Yeah. How do you have no windows and it's just hot in here?
Got the heater on.
That's some hot ass heater, bro. Oh. Probably couldn't even hear me with all that shit. You gonna subscribe, bro?
I'll subscribe.
He ain't gonna subscribe. I'm just kidding.
I'll do it.
360 Garage, all one word, bro. It's right when you leave the limbo, it's on the floor too. Right. Say what, bro? I'll be videoing all these meets. You're the last guy that has no one in their car. Now I'm about to get out and talk shit to people. You can let me go right here, bro. I'm gonna drive that GTR. Let me go right here.
Right here.
All right, man. Thanks, bro. I like your shitting up. Let's get it. That was the last one. Everybody else has people in their car I don't fit. I don't know who the hell's honking. But yeah, that's what it is, man. Oh, this video is cold today.
It's really steady. That's a short.
Don't let him do it, bro.
Don't let him do it, bro.
Don't let.
Bro.
Drive the V6, bro. You really think he can handle this?
Bro, I'll swing this bitch just like my V6. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? 360 Garage fam? Y'all want to swing it on the camera?
Yeah.
No crowd flow.
Yeah. Swing this shit. Is he gonna let you drive it? I'm gonna call this fool always riding on E. That's his new nickname now. Look at that. Can we get out the car? Hey bro, can I drive it?
It's not my car too either.
Can I sit in it? Yeah, I'm just kidding. What's up, bro? Where's your car at?
Right there.
Oh yeah, I was looking for you, bro. I didn't see it. Bro, I got a badass montage already, bro. You know what's gonna make it cleaner, bro? Yeah, bro. Decal, bro.
There you go.
You gotta put it on though, right? Yeah. Oh, this one's ripped. Hold up. Not that one. 3-1. Edit. Take 2. Cut. Damn, bro. Right here. That's just gonna make more money, bro. 3.6 Garage. I will put on your car, but I don't put on V6s. I'm just kidding, bro. I'm gonna make some dope ones. Why, you guys want some on your car or no?
I'll fucking rep you, bro.
Yeah? Oh, hell yeah. Well, next time you bring your car, I got you. I'm gonna make some better ones too, and I got you too, bro. You subscribe?
Yeah.
Alright, you subscribe?
Yeah, I'm in all of the videos, bro.
How do you heard of me? You subscribed last night? What? You subscribed last night?
Yeah.
How did you find out of me?
The me.
Oh yeah, huh? That's the only way people find out about me, bro. You know, it shows you on YouTube, like, who all watches you. Only Arizona watches me. So all my subscribers come from the meets. Which is pretty cool, bro, because every time I roll up on the meet, everybody knows me. You know, but...
Been featured in a few videos.
Oh yeah, you have. I'm trying to hit 10,000 by end of December.
Oh yeah,
15, 100. Probably won't. Let's not cool though, I can try. I'm trying to post a video every day of December. Every day, bro. Every day. If I don't care. You know what I'm doing this for? At the end, I'll probably look crazy because I'm out here running around. Everybody's leaving. Parking lot's getting empty. Yeah, this is a video of today. Like I said, if you guys want to see the mantras and cinematics of this video, I'm gonna post it tomorrow. But here's my chalk. Yo. Oh, he has it in his car. I'm getting my stabilizer. I'm about to end this video off right now. So with all that said, man, you already know what it is. Let's get to it. Let's do it. Let's get it.